Hi everyone. Today we'll go through standard and custom apps in Salesforce. So in Salesforce we have two types of apps, standard and custom apps. Standard apps are pre-built on the platform and they cover common business processes. Some example of standard apps could be service or sales app. Custom apps are, on the other hand, are the apps that we create for our personalized business processes. Since every business process varies within companies, the pre-built apps might not cover our needs. In that case, we create our own custom app. So let's go through how we can create a custom app in Salesforce. First, we will go to Setup and type App Manager on our search bar. On App Manager, we will go to New Lightning App. So let's give a name to our custom app. So we will call this app Insurance App that we will use for our insurance processes. Here we can add a description, image, and color and themes of the app. We will leave the spaces blank for now and click Next. Here we have our app options. We have first navigation style. So we have two types of navigation style in apps. We have standard navigation and console navigation. Standard navigation opens one record at a time. Let me show you an example of a standard navigation looks. So this is the layout of a standard navigation. And here we have console navigation. So console navigation allows us to open multiple records simultaneously in the tabs. Let's go back to our project. For this project, we will choose standard navigation. And here we will choose our supported form factors. This will decide if our app is available for desktop, phone, or is it available for both desktop and phone. Since we want our app to be visible for both desktop and phone, we will choose the first option. Then we have our setup experience. For setup experience, this will show the selected item as the first item in the setup menu for this app. We will choose setup, full set of setup options. And here we have other settings that we can add to this project. For example, we can disable end-user personalization of navigation items in this app. We can disable temporary tabs for items outside of this app. This could be very useful if we would like our users to be focused on our custom apps only. Then if you'd like that, we can turn this option on. And we have use omnichannel sidebar. If we're building a service app, we can enable the omnichannel sidebar to manage our service-related tasks. Since this application won't be suitable for that, we won't choose any of the personalization settings and we'll hit Next. And here we can add our utility items. So here we can give our users quick access to productivity tools and add background utility items for our app. For our projects, we won't choose any, so we will continue. And here we can add navigation items. So these are the items that will appear in our app. Here we should be choosing which apps that we would like to appear in our app. So we will choose accounts and cases for this project. And let's hit next. And here we should choose which profiles this app should be available for. For this project, we will choose System Administrator only. So this project will only be available and seen for us. And then we can click Save and Finish. And this is how we can create a new Lightning app. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time.